In this video, I will demonstrate the steps to add a game you are playing to your Discord mobile status. First, ensure you are logged into your Discord account on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the profile page to open the user settings. Scroll down until you find the privacy and safety settings and tap on it to open a menu with various options. Within the privacy and safety settings, locate the option that says Display Current Activity as Status and toggle the switch to enable this option. If this does not display the game you are playing, you can manually add a status of the game you are currently playing. To do this, go back to the profile page and tap on the Add Status option. Here, you can type in the game you are playing or any custom status you like. Make sure to tap on the Save button to update your status. Now, your friends will be able to see your updated status, whether it's the game you're playing or a witty custom message.